Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Sector again. In today's episode, we will have a close look on the specifications of the Huawei P20 Pro, the recently launched new smartphone with some unique features. So let's get started.
Preview.
Coming to the front part of the P20 Pro, it has got a big 6.1 inches Full HD Plus OLED display with 2240x1080 pixels with a notch like the iPhone X. The notch carries the 24 megapixel selfie camera and the sensors. The P20 Pro has the fingerprint sensor on its front side. Coming to the back of the Huawei P20 Pro, it has got 3 camera sensors, a dual LED flash, and a Leica and Huawei branding. Also, the P20 Pro has a curved glass design. The 2 light color model in the P20 Pro is really impressive and has caught attention of many smartphone lovers. Really looks very impressive. So now we will have a close look on the box contents of the Huawei P20 Pro. So let's see its unboxing. Unboxing the Huawei P20 Pro, you get a SIM ejector tool after the device, a USB Type-C power adapter which supports Huawei Supercharge, which will help you to charge your phone much faster, a USB Type-C cable which will also help you to charge the phone quite faster and to transfer files. Also, you get some reasonable looking earphones. And so, here is the last item, the USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter. So now, let's have a close look at the main highlights of the Huawei P20 Pro. It is powered by the high silicon Kirin 970 chip, clock at speed of 2.4 GHz coupled with the latest Mali G72 MP12 GPU. Also, it runs on latest Android Oreo 8.1. Now, coming to the main USP of the P20 Pro, yes, it's real triple camera setup. So here are the full details of the triple camera setup. Also, it has a large 24 megapixel selfie camera. With the Leica zoom lens system, the P20 Pro can achieve 5x hybrid zoom support. Coming to the video department, both these cameras are capable of shooting super slow motion at 960 fps, similar to that of S9 and S9 Plus. So friends, this was our full review on the Huawei P20 Pro. So friends, if you like our today's video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to comment your opinions below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Sector, and you can also follow us on our Instagram account to get the regular updates about our channel. And be sure to press the bell icon so you will be notified on our every new video. So thank you and take care.